Hi, I am super excited to show you my new keto-friendly salad for today. And I'll show you what's on my plate, and then I'll taste all the ingredients and tell you what they taste like. I'll tell you where they came from as well, so that you've got a full picture. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And I have on my plate lettuce that came from my garden, just freshly picked. I have some cucumbers and some tomatoes. Those came from a shop. I also have some cheese over here. That's President Brie. I don't know if you can get it in your country, but I really like it. It's nice and mild. It's not very strong. And then on top of the tomato, I have something that looks like pesto, but it's not basil pesto. It is Lovage pesto. I grow lovage in my garden, and I made some pesto with it. Look, it looks absolutely amazing, right? The color is fabulous. And I already had half a jar from that. And I have another video where I show you the recipe and how I made it, so do check it out as well. It's absolutely delicious. And I also have some onion that came from my garden, red onion, and followed by kohlrabi. It's an interesting vegetable. I have some left here to show you what it looks like. So it looks like this. I think it's a brassica family, but I'm not entirely sure. And you eat the middle. So you peel the skin on there, the green stuff, and then you chop it into matchsticks. And it tastes quite crunchy, a little sweet. It's actually really quite nice. So if you haven't tried it, see if you can buy it in your local supermarket or a grocery store, and then try it. You can cook with it too, you can roast it, but I really like the crunch. So, and I do apologize up front for the crunch, because that is quite crunchy. So, and also I have some sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is very good for digestion. I suffer from a lot of tummy issues, so if you do as well, and you've got some tummy problems, I would definitely recommend eat sauerkraut. It's full of probiotics, incredibly good for you. And then right here, sort of the overhanging, is the basil from my windowsill. I made some more videos on basil as well, how to grow it, how to start it, so do check those videos out as well. And then right on top, I'm not sure if you can see, is something called cod liver. That's what I purchased, and it's incredibly good for you. I use it instead of supplements. I just open the whole tin, and including the oil that's in it, I just pour all over my salad. It has omega-3, it has vitamins A and D, and it tastes really good. But I will tell you what it tastes like in a moment. So that's my salad. I will put in the description all the ingredients, so you'll be able to make it yourself too, and sort of rough quantities. Okay. So now let's try the salad and see what it tastes like. Okay. I'm really looking forward to this. I am hungry. Haven't had anything yet. I am on the keto diet, so this salad is working beautifully for keto diet, and it looks delicious, so let's try. Okay, I'm going to start with my own salad, and that came from the garden, and it's I'm not sure exactly what variety it is, to be honest, but let's try it. It's nice and crunchy. It's not bitter. Sometimes lettuce can get bitter if you grow it yourself, but this one is not bitter at all. It's yummy. It has it does have a sort of a stronger lettuce flavor than the cos lettuce. More like you can get sometimes a gem lettuce or a small lettuce. That's kind of the taste. Now cucumber. Okay, that's covered in the oil from the tin, from the cod liver. shop-bought cucumber. It tastes alright. It's crunchy, it's fresh. You know, it works. Okay, President Brie. Let's try that now. I do like this cheese. It's nice and mild, and you can eat the rind, by the way, the white stuff. But not every cheese you can eat the rind, so do check your label on the packet. That is good. It's creamy. Has a mild brie taste. That works for me. I really like that. Okay, now tomato. So this tomato is from the shop, but I've covered it. I've covered it with my pesto. So it's Lovage pesto. Just to give you an idea, the ingredients is a big bunch of lovage that you can grow yourself in your garden. Definitely recommend you do that. Before, I liked the smell when I was growing the lovage. I didn't really use it much in recipes. Now I've discovered so many recipes. I will share all of those, the best ones, with you. And it's a great herb to grow in your garden. It comes back each year. It's very easy to grow. It's almost like a weed now. Grows quite tall. Each year it's slightly taller. But it smells a bit like celery, I guess. And so yeah, so this this pesto has lovage in it. It has walnuts, some olive oil, so actually avocado oil I used, and a few other ingredients. So check the recipe for that in another video, but let's try it. Oh my God. That works with tomatoes, actually. It works really well. It lifts the tomatoes. That is absolutely delicious. You can taste this sort of avocado nutty flavor. There's definitely a hint of celery coming through, but not overpowering. See, I thought that pesto from Lovage would be quite overpowering, but it's not. It's actually really delicious. Okay, my own onion. Oh, let's try this. Okay, maybe with a bit of tomato as well, and some pesto. It's fresh. The onion has got a really good taste. It's a red onion, so it's not super strong. It's delicious. Very good. Okay, kohlrabi. This is very crunchy, so I do apologize. If you want to mute the screen now, do that. It's a little sweet, fresh, a bit like if you bite into a fresh cauliflower or broccoli, actually. Very crunchy. Oh, actually, you know what this reminds me? It reminds me of a daikon radish. Do you know those big fat radishes, the white ones that you can get in shops sometimes? That's the sort of taste that it has, but it's not spicy, or it's not. There's none of that, but it's that sort of crunch. Okay. Then we have sauerkraut. Who doesn't like good sauerkraut? It's lovely. I just buy German sauerkraut. You can buy them in jars. They're quite easy to get. It's quite popular these days. Now let's try my own basil. So that's the basil there. I love basil. I think if you grow it yourself, it's a lot more aromatic. It's almost like it hits you like, you know. Good. But I know you are dying for me to tell you what the cod livers taste like. Like, are they fishy? I always thought that they might taste a bit fishy, you know? So let's just try it. Okay, let's give it a go. So I'll just try it by itself just to tell you what it tastes like. It's not fishy. It's oily. You can taste that sort of oil, definitely, but it's not fishy. It tastes a bit like pate, actually, like very finely milled or ground pate. That's the sort of taste that it has. And smell. It doesn't smell fishy. I'm surprised about that, actually, because I thought it would be really quite, you know, strong, smelly, but it's not. It's actually really quite delicious. So that is, I think, everything on my plate. I've tried everything. I'm just going to now enjoy the rest of my salad. And if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe so that you can see some more of these videos in the future, and stay with me. So take a look at my other videos as well, and I'll see you next time.